because you can see this thing used to trade at $15. And so one of the first things I'd want to know is, okay, why was it at $15 in 2021, but now it's at $4.95 right now? So I'm not a big fan of LAC. I don't love it, but at the same time, if you have an interest in the industry and a belief that the industry is going to grow, then maybe an ETF, a really good ETF in that area, might be a good approach. And let me see if I can find an ETF that includes LAC and other companies. Um, okay, so let's see. I'll answer your question while I pull that up. So let's see. Next question. Um, okay. Ricardo, QUBT is a good long-term play or quantum computing. They aren't making much money now. The QUBT, I don't, let's talk about quantum in general. Okay, here's the thing about quantum. Okay, first off, the lithium ETF, this is what I own. I don't own LAC, but I own this ETF. I forgot about that. LIT is basically a fund that focuses on companies that are involved in lithium mining and battery production. So if you want to get in this industry, LIT might be worth looking at. It's very volatile and has high expenses, but there you go. Um, Quantum. Yeah. Here's the thing about quantum. Quantum computing is coming. It's going to be massive. There's no doubt about it. China's committing insane resources to quantum computing. The battle and the race for quantum supremacy is absolutely paramount. It's right. It's kind of like the big brother behind AI. When AI and quantum computing get together, I have no idea what the world's going to look like. I just hope that they can at least like cure cancer or something before they kill everybody. So with that said, I think approaching quantum in an ETF is safer than approaching it in individual companies because you really don't know which company is going to really win. However, sometimes picking individual companies, sort of trying to pick a winner, while it's riskier, it does allow for that big, massive payoff that can come if your horse wins the race. Okay. So sometimes having a balance where you say, okay, a big chunk of my long term portfolio that I want to remain stable is going to consist of ETFs and index funds. But I also want to have some fun. I want to have a chance to make a ridiculous amount of money if I happen to be right. And so, in that context, I'm willing to risk losing some money in order to go ahead and take these bets because I need something to 10x on me so I can really feel good and brag to my friends. So, that might be a reason to invest in one of the quantum companies like the QBTS. I think that's the ticker symbol. I think they're trying to compete with Google and IBM on quantum computing. I can't imagine how QBTS can compete with Google.